UMLA ke Kongres ubak Ronnie Willingdo ula ong Lada bo Kwah ban pet cek NPP ula Leit Naduh Mynshwa namar ba kilat depkro EU dain sidain Henry tre setia namar ba uyang hakan rim. Habakran siklat patai kubon tagas ngi ba Ronnie ula ong ba udon bat ke Kongres bat nyaisa bat ke Kongres bat kamper Lada udon marweru namar ba kinong tre ke parti bat kinong yalam ki don bon. Kajingra ya kimat kijura kamdei tang balong MLA Henry Shakiwe kirensan ru kila banra. La ban kedeu balai ngut ki MLA ke Kongres ki bakentup uba Charles Mangan mau hati ba Gabriel Walang dan Nongstein bat u Dr. Celestine Lingdo na umsning kila kerat no syak NPP bat Marway ya uba Ronnie uba dei ru unong ya lam ling persya.
See, I think they've approached through my colleagues. Okay. So but then I took a decision that I'll remain with the party because, in my opinion, and I believe I'm not wrong, I think the only party that can serve the interests of the state, the interests of the people of the state, as far as I'm concerned, is the Congress Party because it's got its own ideology, it's got its own program, how to take care of all the people of the state, of the country. We believe in inclusivity, not excluding anyone. So I believe in that, with that ideology, I remain with the party to the best of my ability to serve the people of my constituency, the people of the state.